G'day guys, Galaxy here. Just thought I would show you a bit of the Bellarine gravel trails. Here they are. These sort of roads are fairly typical of the Bellarine. Nice country lanes, beautiful fields surrounding you. Generally pretty quiet traffic wise too, which is always a bit of a bonus. So inevitably you've got to get onto the bitumen sometimes on Bellarine, but you still get rewarded for that. So good. One thing I'll say about the Bellarine is basically there's a big hill that runs through the middle from kind of Marcus Hill all the way to, what do you call that, Drysdale, and there's roads that run north and south and go up and down over that hill, and yeah, just go up and down those. Most of them are gravel, little bits in between, can be a bit muddy at times, a bit of exploring. It's pretty nice, and you can avoid highways pretty much most of the way, which is bloody good. That you cannot miss is to hit the Bellarine rail trail. Sometimes you can link it up with other sections of gravel road, but it's nice.